Oh.
You guys have to be careful with these instruments. Look. See? Give me a
Turned it on.
0.12. It's just someone put it on its head.
Do you want me to open another one for you?
If I can't fix it. I'll send you my invoice.
Okay.
I think the company charges at least, I don't know, a couple $100 for that.
Oh, jeez.
That's why I started fixing them, because if I don't fix it or if I make it worse, still got to pay the same amount, you know?
Mm-hmm. BSS?